Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aramintha Siti Wardiah. Uh, I am SL student. So today I would like to present my summary about structuralism and post-structuralism. In this section, I would like to divide it into 4 points. First is Ferdinand de Saussure. Second is Claudia Levi-Strauss will write and the American Western. Third is Roland Barthes about mythologies, and fourth is post-structuralism. Ferdinand de Saussure. Ferdinand considered the language as a thing in itself. The meaning depends on the differences and relationship. Structuralists argue that the language constructs the sense of reality. Structuralism has two basic ideas from Saussure works: relation between intent and practice, and the meaning as the result of relationship of selection and combination by underlining the structure. Move to Claudia Levi-Strauss. Claudia Levi-Strauss uses in 1968 uses Saussure to help him discover the unconscious foundations of the culture of so-called primitive societies. He analyzes cooking, manners, modes of dress, aesthetic activity, and other forms of cultural and social practice as analogous to systems of language. Each in its different way is a mode of communication, a form of expression. The third is Will Wright and the American Western. In Six Guns and Society, Will Wright uses Levi-Strauss's structuralist methodology to analyze the Hollywood Western. He argues that much of the narrative power of the Western is derived from its structure of binary oppositions. However, Wright differs from Levi-Strauss in that his concern is not to reveal a mental structure, but to show how the mythos of society, through their structure, communicate a conceptual order to the members of that society. Next slide is the classic Western. The classic Western is about the hero enters a social group. The hero is unknown to the society. The hero is revealed to have an exceptional ability. The society recognizes a differences between themselves, and the hero is given a special status. The society does not completely accept the hero. There is a conflict of intolerance between the villains and the society. The villains are stronger than the society. The society is weak. The villains inherit the society. The hero avoids involvement in the conflicts. The villains endanger a friend of the hero, and the hero fights the villains. The hero defeats the villains. The society is safe. The society accepts the hero. There is a strong friendship or respect between the hero and the villain. The hero loses or gives up his special status. Okay, we will talk about Roland Barthes' mythologies. Mythologies is a collection of essays on French popular culture. In it, he discusses, among many things, wrestling, soap powders and detergents, toys, stick and chips, tourism, and popular attitudes toward science. Mythologies conclude with the important theoretical essay, Myth Today. In the essay, Barthes outlines a semiological model for reading popular culture. He takes Saussure's scheme of signifier sign and adds to it a second level of signification. There are possible reading perspectives on understanding the image. First is the one who produced the myth. Second is the socialist reader. The third is the consumers. As you can see on the slide, this is a cover book, look like a mythologies by Roland Barthes. Okay, the last topic we will talk about post-structuralism. Post-structuralists reject the idea of an underlying structure upon which meaning can rest secure and guaranteed. Meaning is always in process. The theories of post-structuralism suggest that the situation is more complex than this. Signifiers do not produce signifieds, they produce more signifiers. In post-structuralism is also divided into three main points. First is Jacques Derrida. Post-structuralism is virtually synonymous with the work of Jacques Derrida. For Derrida, the binary opposition, so important to structuralism, is never a simple structural relation. It is always a relation of power in which one term is in a position of dominance with regard to the other. The second, there are discourse and power, talked by Michel Foucault. Discourses work in three ways. They enable, they constrain, and they constitute. As Foucault explains, discourses are practices that systematically form the objects of which they speak. Also, discourses formations conceive of the hierarchical criss-crossing of particular discourses. And the third and the last part is the panoptic machine. The panoptication is a type of prison building designed by Jeremy Bentham in 1787. At the center of the building is a tower that allows the governor to observe all the prisoners in the surrounding cells without the prisoners knowing whether or not they are in fact being observed. So that's all the end of my summary presentations. I'm so sorry for the bad grammar and bad pronunciations. So thank you.